I'm at FDL headquarters, and as you know, we are here to do the unboxing of yet another Galaxy that has been introduced in the market, and Samsung just keeps getting better. Today with me here, I have the Galaxy A24, of which we are going to do the unboxing and find out what is the better features that have come with this as opposed to the Galaxy A23. So we proceed to do the unboxing, see how the phone looks like and what it comes with. If you have noticed, the box it is slim. So that is the new way that Samsung has decided to go. The box comes without the charging adapter, so that you have to buy it separate. Or if you already had an existing one, you can as well as continue using the one that you had. Inside there's the SIM slot ejector pin. Inside here comes the USB to C, that is the USB to C charging cable. And that is the user guide. And now here comes my phone. So we proceed to power it on and then see some of the features. And before we proceed to power it on, we can just look at the physical features. At the back here, you can see the 3 cameras and the flashlight, the charging port, stereo speakers, jack port, and the side-mounted fingerprint. So the Galaxy A24, it comes with a display of 6.4 inch, and these are Super AMOLED screen. And at the back, the finishing is glass. So for this Super AMOLED screen, it provides you with a brighter and vibrant colors in both outdoor lighting conditions. And also one thing they have enhanced on this display, it is the blue light protection. So this phone, you can use it, be it in outdoor or indoor, without having to strain your eyes. So if you are a videographer, a photographer, or a content creator and you are looking for a phone that is about 30,000 worth of budget, I would advise you to go for the Galaxy A24 because it has come with the best camera features. This phone comes with 50 megapixels camera with an optical image stabilizer, 5 megapixels, that's the wide angle camera, and the macro camera, which is 2 megapixels. On the selfie camera, you find 13 megapixels, which will enable you to take quality selfies or your videos while doing your TikTok. And not forgetting that the main camera, you can use it to shoot videos that are quality of up to 4K. So what a better deal. So when you talk about performance, this phone comes with a Mediatek Helio Z99 octa-core processor with a clocking speed of up to 2.2 gigahertz. So this will enable a faster performance of your phone, be it on the internet or sending of your documents or whatever thing that you are sending. So the speed will be so fast and there will be no lagging. There is sufficient storage on the Galaxy A24 because it comes in a 6 and 128 GB storage, or you can get it in 4 GB RAM and 128 GB storage. Also, another enhancement that it has come with is the RAM plus feature, whereby you can either reduce the storage of your RAM, that if you don't need it, or increase whenever you are tending to heavy tasks. So that's another advantage about Samsung. So are you the kind of person who is always worried about the battery drainage, or your phone drains the battery that much? No need to worry anymore because Galaxy has got you covered. So this comes with a 5000 milliamps worth of battery with a charging speed of up to 25 watts. So it will take less time to complete full charge. and the 5000 milliamperes will give you sufficient performance time. So basically, if you're a heavy user of your phone, this phone can take you for 24 good hours without having to charge it again. So with the latest UI 5.1, Samsung has granted their clients the opportunity to design their widgets and arrange your apps in the way that you want. Also, they have provided OS updates of up to 4 years, as opposed to the previous ones which they were giving 2 to 3 years. So Samsung gives you 24 months worth of warranty for Africa, and make sure that whenever you purchase your phone, get registered on Samsung Care Plus. The Care Plus covers your phone against screen damage, and in case your phone encounters any accidental screen damage, it can be replaced at no cost. That is an option or a chance that will only be given to cover the screen at only one time, one replacement at no cost. So if you are there and wondering on how you can find us on our website at phoneexpress.net, or you can visit our shops, Phone Express shops, or our partners at PhoneLink, or any Airtel selected stores. You can also visit Samsung TRM or get us at Samsung Westgate. So that's all, guys. That's all about our reviews of the A24, and thank you very much for being with us, and just leave us a comment down there, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, you can support us through purchasing our products at our website that I just mentioned earlier, that is at phoneexpress.net. Thank you very much. Until we meet next time.